How to transfer contacts from Android to iOS. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to transfer all your contacts from an Android phone to an iPhone quickly and easy. Whether you're switching to a new device or just sync your contacts, this step-by-step guide is for you. Step 1. Download Movie to iOS. On your Android phone, go to Play Store and download the app called Movie to iOS. Step 2. Start iPhone setup. Now, turn on your new iPhone and begin the setup process. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, tap on Move Data from Android. Step 3. Connect both devices. Select the Move to iOS app on your Android and tap Continue. Accept the terms and conditions, then tap Next. On your iPhone, tap Continue as well. A 6 or 10-digit code will appear. Enter this code into your Android phone. Step 4. Choose what to transfer. After the devices connect, you will see a list of data you can transfer. Select Contacts or anything else you want, and then tap Next. Step 5. Wait and finish. The transfer process will begin. Once it's done, tap Done on your Android and continue setting up your iPhone. All your contacts will now appear in the Contacts app on your iPhone. And that's it. That was the quick and easy way to transfer contacts from Android to iOS using Movie to iOS app. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.